Hello everyone, it's Rashmi here. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say sorry because I haven't posted any video for a while. We just moved to our new apartment, so I was quite busy in moving stuff. Extremely sorry for that. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this transparent shaker card. So let's get started. First of all, I'm starting to make oval shape window. For that, I'm running these two dies through my die cut machine. Die cutting these two dies at the same time will give me a border die cut piece. To keep border thickness same, first I'm going to attach these two dies with my artistic tape and then I'm going to run them through my die cut machine. I'm taking out at least 7 pieces of these dies. Then you can see here I got two plastic sheets. I'm keeping them on top of each other and taking out my larger dies and going to run that through my die cut machine. Our die cut pieces are ready now. Now I'm assembling all the parts of window. First of all, I'm attaching plastic die cut piece in between two border die cut piece. I'm doing same thing with both the plastic sheets. That will be the sides of my window. To attach all the pieces, I have used here glue. Glue will help to make the adjustments while attaching. After attaching both the plastic sheets, I am moving towards attaching all the remaining border die cut piece. With the help of glue only, I am going to attach them on the top of each other. After that, I am taking out one of the plastic side that we have made before and simply attaching both of them. Then I am taking some sequins or you can say glittery material and keeping that at the center. And finally, I am attaching second plastic sheet of window. Our transparent shaker part of the card is ready now. I am keeping this aside to get dry. Till that, I am die cutting down this plant as well as these butterflies dies through my die cut machine. So you can see here after taking out the die cut piece, to enhance the butterflies, I have just colored the border of butterflies with distress oxide ink pads. Now I am moving towards my sentiment part. For the sentiment, I have used here Versamark ink. This type of inks usually used with embossing powder. I am going to use here white embossing powder as I am stamping my sentiment on black paper. After stamping with Versamark ink, you have to just pour the embossing powder and then have to set that with your heat gun machine. Heat gun machine will melt that powder and your sentiment will get permanently stamped. All the materials I have used here are listed in the description below. So if in case you want to refer any, you can just have a look on that. After my sentiment gets set, I'm taking out that strip. And to give some unique look to sentiment, I'm taking out same size strip and attaching that on the back side of main strip. It seems all the small parts of the card are ready now. I'm attaching each and every part to complete my card. First, I'm attaching plant part. Over that, I'm attaching my sentiment. And finally, I'm going to attach my butterflies. My shaker card is ready now. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.